If you want to hide your WhatsApp status from a specific person, or if you want to show your WhatsApp status to only specific people, then let us see how to do it. Open WhatsApp, go to settings here, and then select accounts, privacy, and then select status. If you want to show your WhatsApp status to all of the contact except a few people, then select this option, my contacts except, and select the person whom you don't want to show your WhatsApp status and select done. Or else if you want to share your WhatsApp status only with certain person, then select this option, only share with, and then select the person to whom you want to share your WhatsApp status and then select done. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.